Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your profile flag in Snake.io. In order to change your profile flag in Snake.io, first of all make sure that you launch open the game on your device and ensure that you are connected to a stable internet. From the main menu page of Snake.io, go to the avatar button at the top left where you can see your username and tap on the avatar. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page from where you can customize your country, your name, your profile picture, and so on. Click on the flag icon, tap the pencil button right above the flag button, and then select a profile flag for yourself that you want to change to. After choosing a profile flag, click on OK, and you will then be able to select your profile flag or change your profile flag on Snake.io. Changing your profile flag is simple but nice way to personalize your gaming identity. Once you've done it, you'll see your new flag displayed and you'll stand out a bit more among other players. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.